admit you love me, and so how am I ever to know? You always tell me, perhaps, perhaps, perhaps. A million times I've asked you, and then I ask you over again. You only answer, perhaps, perhaps, perhaps. If you can make your mind up, I will never get started. And I don't wanna wind up finding hearted, broken hearted. So if you really love me, say yes. But if you don't, confess. And please don't tell me. Perhaps, perhaps, perhaps. Perhaps, perhaps, perhaps.